Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
ne tano kene kyonga chinsabire asenchira yo boikirano je ni gongoro kwaro ne toto nyangiri na kurwa asense me manyirilio ni go to kwatanera Wilson makoli ne lituko liabire liabutwarira mange kigimo mwanjo murigereri tonyora buna ase e county ya Homa Bay ni go omo kusangirikana omonene odmanya katamna deforation conference gose ase chi county gosamangane chi county yakwanerwa ni go nyara kabago ikomo erio lituko lia lero omo sangirikana nyara go kwanerwa go siekwa asenjira bene amono mokonyi bo muraibense omoske professor Abraham Githure Kindiki na abakwani abange ni gabanya kabago kwana mange kora chinsemecho cha Homa Bay talia yuko mwanjo murigereri na kurwase ensema ya Nairobi State House Nairobi gorenginga abange kurwa gusi njira bale goja gusianye baikire na bakabaikire gusi abande bale bakora etaro yabene gochiase amagacho yo muraibense usaba menjo muraibense omoske William Samoei Ruto njira bale kuru omochi omonene o Nairobi na mange banyarka bago kwanira gosanya ka kwanirwa ime ya abisi yo so menyo muraibense se togochiko bato kumanya senjira bwekranu abara ikoro gusimba nyaka bako bwato kachingwana omo chief wipo moske Silvana Sosoro omo jumbe webunge ya Gitutu Church North omo ske Javet Mukanya Kundi omo jumbe webunge ya West Mugrango omo ske wakili Steve Mogaka omo women rebwe county ya Nyamira women rebwe county ya Kisii omo ske Cherusha Momanyi na boigo omo ske Donya Doris Aburi bako bwatania na boigo nabara ibande korwa ase orongora gusi ine narali alinza chinde omo raibense omo ske William Ruto anyaka bakwanekeria omugusi korwa ase amagacha yo State House Nairobi hayonzi ko komentero mwansu murigareri ase egeke korbosyo igotonya ka baguska uchiale abe amona inte to kwalganiria onsi ase njira ya oboikiranu litangana kigimo mwanju murigareri haya negatiana kwalganiria ase kyonga chinza ibere emagaro ya leo.
We are here with a multi-agency team comprising officers from the NACADA and officers from the National Police Service.
Omusako omutindi wa Mariogoyo gutindia kwirira kwa byara kwenya sore ase chinsemo cha buchura ime yigwori ya Gitutu Central ebunge ya Gitutu Church South e county ya Kisii.
Ewa kimbwate certificate ye nyenjoki ndakonyu abarayi baito be serikali yeito abanjwa bankonya so gwanja kwa
Omugako yomo yumete no bolema kolera na kuboria tek. Omugako yomo yumete no bolema kuboria ninki yakora atanya konyora chibezo cho bolema kurwa serikali.
We are also facing the risk of sectarianism and subnational interests that are sometimes ethnic oriented.
Musangirikano omonene gukwanira iguru ya county nigo ikomweria ritukuria lero ase chinsemo chie county ya Homabay uyo nyara kuba gugusie kwa senjera bene no mukonyi wa muraibense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki. Mwanjo mwaligeria kionga chinse bere nigo togochaka nengani yogo ichania kuru chinse mochia chokifira abochura ewori ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ebunge ya Kisii egose county ya Kisii ase omonyanyimbo kosaba nyanyimbo kubwaterana amone kiombekelkia nakada babwaterana ase obonyabi obotindi bomolyogo yogotindia obwerera barabo kobeka biara amalyogo yogotindia tarimake ayoma ikatebuna enyasore ase chinse mechio obonyabi obo nibo bwandawa amo no county Commander we county ya Kisii munago tumonye muliko itotipon asanya
13,940 ogokumia asomubaro bweribo yenyasore wetania ebitundu 52 nigo abanyanyimbo be serikali nene kurwase county ya Kisii bakurawa nomo commander o Kisii Ronald Kirui.
We are here with a multi-agency team comprising officers from the NACADA and officers from the National Police Service at this area known as Tukavila in Nyamataro, Kisii County. We have carried out a serious operation on the drugs and substance abuse at this particular home, a home we were some few weeks ago over a similar crime. At this home, we have arrested 5 suspects that we found at the scene, and upon carrying out search at this particular home, we were in a position to recover 79 grams of suspected cannabis sativa, which is a drug, a motorbike, which we believe was being used to ferry these commodities.
Maiga yomokia woko babeka biara abakagerwa batano aho bagokora obonchuli oboiga nigo omukagerwa monene ale asechimbero.
Key main suspect that escaped our in our operation is a suspect that is before court. This similar suspect we arrested some few weeks ago, took him to court by trafficking narcotics. He's before court with about 292 kilograms of the same similar substance.
Gukona sekerekyo abo bisakurwa sekyombe kia nakada. Nigo bereneria mbuya mono gochia asaba na inchi bali bagenderete gwaka oroboti na koletu bwasio kubwe bikolebi.
My name is Nicholas Kozwe, the head of enforcement from Nakada. I want to really and sincerely thank the public for sharing information. We as Nakada act promptly on complaints. Kindly still forward the same to our office for action. We all know the effects of bangi in the community. Hii vijana munaona wakikimbia na pikipiki wanafanya accidents. Most of them are actually under the influence of bangi. Hii unaona hii crimes yote inaonekana hapa. Vijana burglaries, robberies.
Hokoboria gochesa bamenyi be county ya Kisii.
What we want to appeal to our members of the Kisii community is for us to be very alert, for us to carry out serious surveillance from these known drug barons across Kisii County. In Kisii County, we have carried out serious operation on illicit tools.
Komenta na yue eirenene kuruasa abanyanyimbo.
And as a National Police Service, we are committed to training the community in fighting these vices. And even the media, we want to ask you to assist us.
Omukageru yu monene omanyekaine nabange nigaburi gwesokia na gwikirana gwikasegeta seni kya banyanyimbo.
Suspect, we are asking him to follow, to surrender himself to police so that we can prosecute him accordingly.
We shall move around the country and we are going to conduct a very thorough and sting operations going forward.
Overall, across the county, we are carrying out similar operations across our county to rid the community from dangerous drugs and illicit drugs.
Kuripoteri getaseni kia owanchite kia getembe kuro igajo kivila bochura ilitira na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
na humwanjwa homo rigere tokerera omugano uria omonene gusorobotia oronene ritukuria rero nigoro ya etaro yomugusi gochia amagacho yobumenyo bwense State House Nairobi ne gataro yaganyireirwe na bantu abange ne ritukuria rero nigo nyaka bagi kwikarana asabange babo banyaraka bagwikirana ase abisi ejwere ime muchi o Nairobi gusa obumenyo bw'umurai bwense obole ime muchi o Nairobi ase banyaraka bakwariganiwa no murai bwense una tokurigereria asembe.
Wapinduru haya makofi ya babji ingana kuibure tigakurikana komende sukari wapenduru musani ondetayo ekikia baba musani ondetayo ondechani umukune inchara wote mwaye emikuru mbikimajini atariyo mumanyengo segete
gokwana ase omusangerkano y'omwancho omurigereri omujumbe bw'ebunge ya South Mugirango omosike Silvanus Osoro nigo agikeria amang'ana y'obugesaku gose ogokina kw'obugesaku na siasa cy'obugesaku ime yense ya Kenya.
Na katika Gusii tumeamua ya kwamba tutatembea na wewe kidete. Siasa ya ukabila hatutaki. Nyinyi mnataka siasa ya ukabila? Siasa ya ukabila tufanye nini? Hatutaki. Siasa ya ukabila hatutaki. Siasa ya chuki hatutaki. Ama nyinyi mnataka siasa ya ukabila? Unajua siasa ya ukabila ni ya kuambiwa ni ya siasa ya kuambiwa kaeni kwa kona moja jiite kabila fulani. Alafu na nyinyi mkae kona moja mujiite kabila fulani. Alafu muende kunegotiate ati wewe upewe waziri. Sisi negotiation ambayo tutafanya leo hapa ni negotiation ya maendeleo. Mumekubali namna hiyo? Akina nani wana support Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto? So nikisema Harambee mnasema tuta. Harambee. Harambee. Nionyeshe kwa vidole, nionyeshe kwa vidole, nionyeshe kwa vidole, nionyeshe kwa vidole State House. Nionyeshe juu. Asante.
Na habarai kurwa se orogongoro gusiye obekirana ime ya magacha yo bamenyo bo murai bwense State House Nairobi banyaka bakobwatoka chingwana cyabo ekikobwatine chingwana chigatia barayabu bo bakoragwa amo no mujumbe bwebunge ya Kitutu Chache North omosike Chavet Mokaya Nyakundi omujumbe bwebunge ya West Mugirango omosike wakili Steve Mugaka omumenere county ya Nyamira omosike Cherusha Mumanyi igati ya baraibande abange abanyaka bakokwana na kurwa amagani yabo nebirengera byabo ime ya magacha yo State House Nairobi.
You have vindicated us because kila wakati tukiongea na wananchi wetu tunawaambia serikali ndio iko na maziwa, ndio iko na maendeleo, ndio iko na ile nyama ambao watu wanakula. Kwa hivyo tulikuwa tunaambia watu wetu lazima tukae kwa serikali mpaka 2032 ili tuendelee kupata maendeleo. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo tunataka kutangaza ya kwamba rais, tunakupenda, tutatembea na wewe, tutafanya kazi na wewe vile umeona vichwa na macho yakiangalia kama yale yangu, yale macho kubwa. We are so happy. Yale yote ambayo tuliambia rais ameyaongea hapa. Muende muambie watu all elected leaders ambao wanatembea na rais, yale maneno ambayo walimwambia yote ametupea leo. Asante, Mungu awabariki.
Tunataka kukuambia we have you. We will hold you today, tomorrow until 2032. We will walk with you until death do us part. Wasenaki.
Tunasema harambe. Harambe. Mimi kama chairperson pale bunge, hii maneno yote rais ametuambia, nitafuatilia, nihakikisha ya kwamba iko kwa budget ili ikuje, si ndio?
Rais yangu ni kutoa shukurani kwanza kwa hiyo barabara ya lami ya Bondeni kwenda Magombo ambayo tumekuwa na marais wanne, imechukua rais wa 5 kuweka hiyo barabara lami. Ngakero mo president Onechi Nkobi. Nataka kukushukuru tena kwa kutoa kile kigingi kilikuwa kuanzisha university ya Nyamira. University tunayo hatuna? Tunayo hatuna? Ndio sababu tunasema William Ruto. William Ruto. Ile inataka kukushukuru tena kwa kutoa kile kigingi kilikuwa kuanzisha university ya Nyamira. University tunayo hatuna? Tunayo hatuna? Ndio sababu tunasema William Ruto. William Ruto. Ile
Mheshimiwa Rais, kuna watu walikuwa wanatuuliza mbona tunakufuata. Lakini leo hawa wananchi viongozi walioko hapa wamejua sababu yetu kukufuata ni gani. Hii university ya Nyamira, His Excellency, watu wengi miaka mingi wamesema itajengwa, lakini haijajengwa. Chini wa muongozo wako Mheshimiwa Rais, hiyo university ya Nyamira sasa itaonekana.
Na egeti kiendege gia suneka na kama kiabo kiabirige koreta liberera nemono kira chinga kichia siasa ase kiabire ge kabanga ngorosi gokere za chinde gia chiatena nigwa nabone ga mangana abwango iga nigwa renge buna asajwo tago isana egeti gia chinde grabekwe na serikali nigo yamugeti getambukira na gatamna libagalia ene nyomba chirigori yanse chiariko ja kubekwa asajwo kondari tukulia lero ime yamagacho menyobu muraibu ense State House Nairobi kagokwana nabagusi abanyanga bagotarira aya ubumenyo bwa State House nigo omuraibu ense Mutske William Samoei Ruto ayeneke muna egeti ekyo nigo gigochikorotsigwa ase koreng'ana namuna iranyarekane konde tikeligo chiko tuguterware nabo igo niganyareka baga koeneke muna onyareka baga gutwara chingwana amo nomo waziri gose ewizara yobosombi eliko nyareka baga koligereria ng'aki egeti ekyo konyareka baga korotsigwa gwikirana.
Mnajua watu wa Kenya Airports Authority walisema ile airport mlikuwa mmesuggest hapo Sironga ni ngumu kwa sababu ya mambo ya utafiti. So what we have said is we reinstate Suneka. Ile Suneka. Hata kama iko na matatizo kidogo, tufanye hiyo Suneka the best we can do, si ndio? Ili tuweze kujenga Suneka to the best that we can do, si ndio? Alafu kama kutahitajika mambo mengine tutajua pale baadaye. Kwa hivyo I have given instructions to the ministry. Initially walikuwa wamesuggest we decommission Suneka, but I have told them kwa sababu tumekosa mahali ingine ya kuweka hii airport, wacha tufanye whatever is possible for us to make sure that we reinstate Suneka as a facility for the Kisii County. Na mutaona hiyo kazi ya pale Suneka itaanza in the next few months, kwa sababu sasa tumesema wacha tuache kutafuta mahali haiwezekani, wacha tufanye na mahali iko kwa sasa.
na mwanchwa omo rigarari nigo omo ske William Samoei Ruto boigo nyaraka bagakwanira iguru ya Chichiro ime ye county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira asane kibuna echinde nigo chikende kwa gachwa na boigo nigemero bali genderete kone kya abuna Chichiro nkorosi kwa chile kore goikira ebirengo biri bigwenderete
pale pia Kisii. Mimi nataka niwaambie tuko na pesa ya kuwajengea soko ine kubwa, ile inaitwa Modern Market. Kisii town yenyewe tuko na pesa ya kuwajengea soko hapo milioni 500. Tuko na soko ya Nyambera, inaitwa Nyambera. Hiyo tuko na soko kubwa ya Ugembo na tuko na soko kubwa ya Suneka. Hizo toko ine kubwa we are going to build for you, na mimi mwenyewe nitakuja kuweka jiwe la msingi sikianza. Tuko na soko ingine 16. How many? 16. Budget ambayo tumewapangia ya watu wa Kisii kwa mambo ya masoko yote inakuja soko 20. Hakujawahi kujengwa soko 20 Kisii, hata mupende msipende. That is the truth. Kuna serikali nyingine imejenga soko 20 Kisii? Acha tuambiane ukweli. So na tumewapatia pesa shilingi bilioni 3, and we are going to make sure that all these markets are complete by end of next year. They should all be complete.
na chinga kechechio mwancho murigereri omo raibwense moske William Samoei Ruto niganyaka wakone kiabuna omunyakonda uyo waire ekonda yo kwagacha enyagitari ya Cancer Center asomo chobosongo nigatena nigwe emiremo kubwatekana amo no gutakora emiremo ejo bwikirano nabo igo kubwatekana amo no kugania gwa serikali korengana no muraibwense moske William Ruto nigo omunyakonda yo atararokyo kugania gwo kwangoia okwagacha kwenyagitari yo ilinyaraka bagego konya abamenyi ao bali baranyaka babwate emechando yoburoiro bwo bwa kansa.
Mimi ninajua ya kwamba tuko na program nilikuja kuanzisha hapo ya Cancer Center pale Kisii. Huyo contractor ametusumbua sana, na nilimuona huyo contractor, na sasa tumeamua huyo contractor we part ways. Huyo contractor sasa nimeambia wizara wamuondoe huyo contractor, tutafute contractor mwingine kwa sababu huyo ameshindwa. Nimekuja hapo mara mbili, nothing is happening. Si namna hiyo? Ama mnasema aendelee? Aende afanye kazi nyingine? Hata anaweza kwenda kuchoma makaa. Kuchoma makaa pia ni kazi. So huyo mtu tumemwambia atembee. Tumeelewana? So we are going to get you a new contractor for the Kisii Cancer Center so that we can use it to support the people of that.
Mwanjumu ligerali na manganyara kwa kwane kiwa korwa ase amagacho buraibwense kusama magacho yo bumenyo buraibwense ime ya State House Nairobi ayo turachi kumato konyara kwa bato kunya sansa mora gochia ase amatukale mutwe kose mangana majali mutwe kolende ase bonoiga no tokora koldense mejuabo togende ase amanganande mwanjumu ligerali ya mate yo mugaka sereta mochengo oyo mete no bolema niganyara kabage gwesokia na kobolia huna omonga koyo oserieta sereta mochengo taraba kakonyora chibetse cha bolema kurwa serikali ngano kabwate certificate ekorkinga nigamete no bolema mulikito Gabriel Nyakundi nigamutarira utore ndi robot rokobwati
amate yo mugaka sereta mochengo eyo omunyete no bolema nigo yeso kirina korokia ogotagokiwa kwabo kubwatekana no gutanyora chibesa cyo bolema
konyora bakonyi bonde wetira abantu babwata oborema mbagenderete kwegwa na ndigire tibakwegwa ntanya kwegwa timatinga ninkie kebe wetera nancho yo mobo asaba Kenya bari birama
nigo igoba kwanira oburema bagenderete wetera nonya ni nyumba yoburaro yu yabire engotumono nabigo konyora endagera yabire egasi enkongu asibare
nyumba yangoteire no banyori bukoragiria abana negasi no mungu no kogende ekonda onyora oreta twasagasagi no kwebo ichianga akore gasi
wakona arekera bari gocha mugondo chengokora chikonda twaragera chengokora chikonda twagora kirengento twataka mumubeke system y'abantu bande era abakonyora chibesa choborema korumuna bagachagete koritanya kuri besa bano tomunyere tobokongo banene
ase baganirie baria baranyare kubakonya anene mono baria baranyare kuborokia enchera barabwatie na konyora chibesa choborema wesokia irio konyora obokonyi ubwabo
kwegwa kimbwate certificate ye nyenchoki ndakonyu abarai baito be serikali yeito abanchwa bankonya sugwanja kwabo kondireria samabera wetera na inche no mokenya no bwato bwanje kweno monkonye wetera na chandikire myaka menge mutari ko unyora bokonyi bonde bwensi murayonde bwensi piorando ramabera ga kyankonye asugwanja kwaye na nyenyore telibesanke abego nsuma
Reporteria igetaseni bwanjete kende gikomi kegetembe kurwase wodi ya Gesusu eyo gotoka ase bunge yenyari bari masaba ekaunti ya Kisii nchengurukwo Nyakundi Gabriela
na omancho morigereri habarai gose nigabana inche baborigwe koba maiso nabo igokorinkoria bonsi bali bakurige byo borai mehiansi ya Kenya usichinsemo ao nyuma batara bachoro gochia BC yani gakwanwa chinsemo chia buma choge chache muna agotumonye murikito giripati kopi
se ensemo ya bumachoge bwa chache ime kaunti ya Kisii ase abamenyi n'abantu borogongoro iga rwensemo ya misesi na paraine benyorana samatanga ayamo asibanyakoba abananchi banyakoba gwesokia na kwero kw'umurungani kwabo iguru n'amagendero ye ward kurwa sorogongoro iga bakuragwa n'abaraye mu babikira na sorogongoro
nataka kuiba kibesa cya Gakiro body cyarenge 2 million ni kibesa cyanya miyobo 2 million na macha alinge biyonge na matarenge tundo mushimiwa
wa the development committee onye project ya jire kenyoruke ino tabatari mobe consultant ya kare project yegocha mwa manage besa irenga ingi yegocha okorwa age kwa twanyorire muna bono narenga asegete nganya abantu bagonjoka na iga ngobori abangi bagonjoka ngana maje bataite korosi ngobori abantu bekenyoreke mbara gwe na maje korosi wale
nigo batebire buna okorekana kwa magenderero kurwa se serikali ye kaunti ya Kisii gwetera no MCA orora senseme yo ye ward nigo bataranyana ko bakorora matunda iguru yo bokoreri bwaye
abantu baminto onye kaunti ya ruli kibesa kikorosi kenyoruke ina maje wika mobe involved yega kore kaunti ye kumanyanga kibesa njabe taroketed kake ari nyambo sabuke amini nyamboga amaje korosi wale lakini onye mori kolenda kibesa jeno jigosaganu moja kora umonde kibesa kine cheno kali kya muntu ine tax elimo kwakana
kanda 200,000 imosaineli inkamote binje no mwana bu mutaka umwana bu muboraka asa onkonyire tindegeti maaki tigamba tebe gintu kilikia mberete injenya sa onkonyete agaja takambe kirega ali umuliro akataka kungitira nyumba na abana bane kakira mumanye tibo
Geoffrey Nsarigo no yomo bwa baria bamerire kiroge kyo amate na barire yo chikunyana ko baga bagokonya maiga yokororo obwanya ko bokoreranwa no ryororo
aringo kora alige tembere ne TV gatatiga nkoro mu rubiri kurwetwani na turabantu mambi eligera ntobwa boro no bia takyo boro no bia njera bonga ntikuira na ntebenga ababonsi balengaba inga kieli no balengira ngenerere mbarengo bono papa imbuya mona siga zimu akolete goto omuske Jeremiah ngeli yo tuchandire ekora ninu mwarengo imbuya mona siga zimu akolete na gekora njena chiri kupimanga inga kieli na rengo kukangonkana ngamangana atalivia na atebire tingwancha tigangiche tobo oli machoge basi gona akole bantu baminto lakini akolire bobe
nigo batebire buna obukurungwa nyakobo korekana rombo rwitunya ko bokoremererwa egekaba atebire muna abana inchi bense meyombale no obwene bwokonyora obokoreri boroboronge asamagenderero
lakini onye muri kolenda jibeza jeno jigosaganu moja kora umonde jibeza jine jeno kali ya muntu ine tax elimo kwakana governor akabwatoka amabaga 15 kila si ward amangana vocational aigasa amangana driving school tigambo linga ngorega omwana oye airirwe no mweshimiwa Jeremiah Ongeri obo driver ikoranga mbaro mwana naro kuru binyoro irirwe ngaye mabaga ya kogenda
chibese kero chiabeki igoto tagete chibese echo chikore emeremegio otenje mwakunguna lakini nko batebinde botambe ngangeri tukonko bomorai tinko bomorai bwaba mwaku ande nko batebinde ngise ko bomorai gonko bomorai bw'abantu bo
igabande nigo batebire muna chinga kinchike abananchi bagotebwe kemaene igoro yobokoreru nabo igo ekigancha kyanyako bageko barone chibesi nyako bachiko bwato kwa kurwase e county ya Kisii gochiase ekigancha kye ward
ndekera abana bakonyora amabaga ko somi gubusa chi vocational training chikosomya abana busa ase kiti ye county ngayiga amachoga basegochi ino mangana tukubulya mtu abintu
corruption te koruani ku Nairobi yoka toro hatoje kole wekatoje ruani baka korunka tomanyenga gento ketengo korukere igiye chibasa chinga naiga negente king chibasa chunchi atume kaboyo njetinda dikote aba no mugambi Bismarck ate abanga te arolekana no mugambi togote bi omo MCA musubati oriorwa ayoga ndo motebi nge tutageta accountability
nero siasa ebiro emyaka yende tukunyara ko bagigosuka gwika umwaka gw'ekiribu 2025 na ibere ekero bochori bwa tukunyara ko bokoba n'abantu mbagendere tweyanda ucyaso kurana ebiro gebyo ngori botiria Getembe TV kurwa senseme ya Machoge bwa chache enseme ya Misesi Paraine Maritana Ncho Gilbert Kobi
Umanchwa humo ligereriko kirabwe tokwenda ase tuja kwa tokoligereria liboli litukolia lero ana legeraringa gose twalengeraringa litukolia lero tusange amana ya sensemo yenkwana ya Getembe tuligereri igoro yetaro yegati yabarai orugusi egati abananchi korogusi gojiase amagacho yobumenyo bumurai bwense State House Nairobi ine kerengereri kiao nkereki igoro yetaro yomugusi gochia State House lituko lia lero lika ujumbe yao gochiase namberese screen yao 0726447367 0726447367 nenyara ko bagosoma ujumbe yao ase gekakere egeke gigochigocha nabo igo mwancho murigereri nabo kogenda ase umtandao ito o YouTube Getembe TV nago bagokotiga ujumbe yao ororo kerengereri kia ororo netonyaga batago gasoma nabo igansemeria Facebook naro ntororo mwancho murigereri na nabo gotia kerengereri kia otu nyago batago gasoma emo ase ya mutalia yuka kolende na nseme ya WhatsApp nabo koliko ujumbe yao gwetrase nambe URS screen yao netonyaga batoko yesoma sembe kerengereri kia ongereki igoro yetaro yomugusigo chia State House Nairobi litukulia lero etalejo tonya kwa tokora ngachingwana nyiginyana kwa chiko kwa sansemejo muraibu senanya kabaga kwa igoro chichiro ataba muna chichiro gwetane 20 ngwa gachichire gusi ataba muna echiro yes gose egetikenda yasuneka gochikire ko nabo igo mwancho murigera nakwananga ese enyagitari ya Cancer Center yo ente kwa gachwa umwenya konda niganyala kaba gagwa kwa isiko kubwatekana ngataranya kaba gwikirania ameremo abwente ko kora sinsemechi gati yayande amange mwancho murigereri kuikira bwo tokwenda umutimo komo keigo tokwirana tunyara kaba tokwendera nikionga chinsa ibere ase enjira yabene
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uragania bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chi gauge emerongetato asama amabati aria yechigeche 25 mbabwate Tile Provels aria a Oriental, Elegantal, Versatile Gross na buigo na Versatile Mat. MRM ni kubabwate Lifestyle ayuago chana Roman, Jinko na buigo Web Design. Mabwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na buigo na Green. Obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi buigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na buigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo muchurigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom. Buigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetra se namba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ndagira njane gwansabuna iyero sirine Riziki Caterers. Riziki Caterers ngorobare obukoreri ubuya asachinse mubuna outside catering. Asemeyega buna chinyangi chionze, chi birthday, housewarming, chi anniversary, chi get together, amatanga, corporate events. Kokorabare nankwena nabare obukoreri asachinse muboyego buna decorations, chi ebirogo, chimesa, chikeke, nabo igon kurwa baro bokoreri bwa public address system. Yubago toka mbarabari ne skuru yuboroso ya jogo. Samange bakresi miase namba 0797119986. Riziki Caterers, ubwansu bwendagera.
Mwanchu murigari karibu na Anderson Samega ya kabere yekionga hali tuko ya ejoma eyo boigo igochaba enkwana ya gatambe na natika gotebia hase enkwana ya gatambe tukuli lero niko tokusange birengera nayo mwanchu murigari igoro ye sabali ya abagusi nabarai bagusi goche state house tukuli lero korengi ebirengera bino niko bigente gochaga sobunge na niko ngochara kaba ndara ligeri bitatoiga niko tonya kaba tokubolinga ine ekerengera kyaongereki kubwatakana amonetaro ya barai gose ekerengera kyaongereki igoro hetaro yo mugusi goche state house tukuli lero tonyorobuna niga abagusi banyaka bakwareganirwa asamaga cha barai yo bamenya ho murai bwense state house Nairobi asechingwana aho chanyara kwa chikurwegwa na munukura so murai bwense naboigo abarai bagusi Richard Nyamiaka niga gotabanga kiro monto nabwate ogochora kwaye na boigo oyiga niga gotabanga safari yake ilikuwa sawa, kuna shida yoyote tata yatiri yaye na yuga nera gotabanga mbuye asoko genda state house nera tata yatiri yaye monjo murigere no kandi kwa nenga konanga ngobeka muri amalieta ino ende twanyara kabato kumanyanga imukoro mogo kwanera kurwa oyagotanga ayosi omurai niga kwana na gocha kaba engakieta manyeriri gotaya kwana niga gocha kaba engakieta manyeriri kurunga tonje from Bukina bantu masige east ward yagotenga ward ya Turo sub location masige na boigo Nyanja mutaruki nera gotabanga abo ebato pimete kiagera ndobwata matiangi engine karengera kiayo mwancho murigereri Mishail Makori niga gotabanga Mishail Makori akoroko marani agotanga abo nechinda chiabo bairaro kende ngeyo ruto harakore ase bibionsi ali achira environment yoka teraikirania nabo igo oiga nera niga gotabo mwancho murigumna yani goika kira ensemo ya Kenya etale goche state house igoro yokoligia amagendero iyo nera nebirengera biaye agotabanga ono mochokoro king mwanjo murige gendera ko likachi chumbe chiawe sobonge ko chagaiga ase enamba ere ss screen yao linde tunyaka batoko chisoma na bwana bokanda sensemeli ya WhatsApp nsema ya Facebook nsema ya YouTube onyaka boko beka kerengere kiao ase enchira ya mogose yende gutore ko ba toko gesoma bionsi gose asobonge huna turachie konyara toko gendera omwanjwa omo ligereri lituko olia rero nigo lia bali tukolio moelio lia omosangekano omonne okwandra igoro yeti count goza diffusion oyukonya ogendreire kuruchi tariki 12 ase ensemo ya Omabay account ya Omabay ase abarai abanyarkoba bakubwa tukachinkwana chiabo lituko lia rero nigo omosakaraga yo yarkoba gogosie kugosiko omoelio ase njira bene no mokonyi bomurai wense omosike professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki ase ensemo yaye omo governor we county ya Omabay omo sike Gladys Wanga liganyarkoba gakobolia bunachira chionse chichikoliegwa na serikali hebe na serikali nene hebe na serikali ya county gochesa bananchi nyarkoba chikone kwangachekiraniwe.
Let me take this opportunity to welcome you, Your Excellency Deputy President, to Homa Bay and DevCon 2025. It is befitting that you are the chief guest for the closing session, given your role as the chair of IBEC. You have reformed IBEC to an effective engagement forum for both national and county governments. From where we were somewhere where we were just a talk shop, moving around, you have reformed IBEC to an effective engagement platform where things get done. We urge you, Your Excellency, to continue strengthening IBEC until we fully operationalize the concept of funds following functions. DevCon was not just about plenaries and panels. It was about people, connections, and shared experiences. Before the conference began, Your Excellency, we hosted a vibrant pre-devolution conference experience that turned Homa Bay into a playground of culture, innovation, and adventure. Delegates witnessed the bold creativity of our youth at the Innovate 254 hackathon, felt the thrill of skating and bicycle racing through our streets, and embraced the rhythm of the Bay with spirited boat racing and island hopping from Rusinga to Takawiri on the water bus. We brought back the spirit of community with traditional games like Ajua, the energy of tug of war, and the endurance of the Rowan Marathon. Your Excellency, we took Governor Kahiga to the Ruma National Park, and you remember when you were in your office, he was asking whether he was really going to sleep in a tent. He truly slept in a tent, and he realized he could sleep actually and wake up in the tent and still be here for the conference. I leave you with a thought that promises are like babies, easy to make, but hard to deliver. Let us ensure that the promises of DevCon 2025 are not confined to the communiques, but are translated into tangible change for our people. Real human interest stories like the ones our Fundimangula graduates share, stories of transformation and livelihood change. Devolution must be about transforming lives. Devolution must be about delivering on county functions. Devolution must be living the promise of the Constitution 2010. Devolution is the currency for powering our economic growth. Your Excellency, I thank everybody, and where we may have offended you or not met your expectations, please do forgive us. But otherwise, we hope that we have granted you a wonderful stay in Homa Bay. Please make time to come back again and visit this bay of endless potential. Asanteni sana.
Na omo wasiri bwechibesa omo sike John Badingongo nere oyu nyarakabaga kanyali bagali gukwana ase omo skangerekana oyu niga nyarakabaga kubolia kubwatana na asenchira yabene gati ye county na serikali yanene iliko nyarakabaga ngwikirania chire amagendero ase abananchi anamono kurwa ase wote kurwa ase ebinyoro imegose mashinani.
The promise of devolution can only be fully realized if both the national and county governments work in close partnership, grounded in mutual accountability and prudent financial management. The example that we see in this county is a clear example of both national and county governments partnering together to deliver services to the people. Your Excellency, when you move around in this county, and more particularly in Homa Bay town, you will see massive improvement in this town. This is something that was not there 3 years ago. Your Excellency, it is as a result of partnership and cooperation between the two levels of government. And I believe that our county government, led by Governor Gladys Wanga, will still continue to partner with us at the national government level to be able to give services to our people. And that should be replicated across the country. Something also worth noting, Your Excellency, is that again, for the first time in a long period of time, we were able to transfer all the resources in terms of shareable revenue to the 47 counties before the end of financial year, including the arrears from the previous financial year. And I want to report here, Your Excellency, and I know the President must have spoken to this, that last Monday we managed to transfer the July allocation to our counties. And I want to give a commitment that we will continue to prioritize funding to counties. We'll be releasing money in good time for our counties to be able to move and provide services to our people.
na umwancho murigereri omokonyi bomurai bwense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki niganyara kabaga kwenekia amuna nigo omuswada obekirwe gose obekirwe siya amono murai bwense Mwasike William Samoei Ruto elio kwenekia abuna chibunge chechi county ngwetenera chire asanyara kwa kwenekia muna owetenera wechi county nigo koraere owetenera wechi punge chechi county nigo koraere kimuna chik abajumbe gosaba musiebe chi county goste aba MCA abale members of the county assemblies ngonyara bale koba bagokora emiremo yabo bwikiranu na indebu na ibwenerete.
I say this without any fear of contradiction, that of all the innovations of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, the most profound innovation and the crown jewel of our current constitution is devolution. And this is a good opportunity, therefore, to pay tribute to a great son of this county, the late Dr. Crispin Odhiambo Bai, who laid his life in the fight for a devolved Kenya and a more equitable Kenya. And I have had the moment to witness the remembrance that has been placed by the County Government of Homa Bay and the Council of Governors at the Bay in honor of a great son of Homa Bay, Dr. Crispin Odhiambo Bai. May his soul rest in eternal peace. I am also conscious of the milestones we have achieved in the last so many years under this devolved system. The structures and the relationships among institutions are work in progress, and there are a lot of positive stories around devolution. The latest achievement has been the signing into law of a bill granting financial autonomy to our county assemblies so that they can provide effective, as opposed to vindictive, oversights over the executive at the county level. We hope that the county assemblies will use those resources to perfect their constitutional role of oversight and also of representation and legislation.
Chingage chechi omwancho moligereri nigo omosike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki hanyara kabaga ukwana na kwana kabna obogesaku na kemo kibitango biri bigotanga gotna gotenania ense ya Kenya tenyara kabaga kwene gendereria buna ebwenerete ase boigo anyara kabaga kobolia buna siasa mune chio chobogesaku na boigo amangana yokoreta namo ase ogosaliense anyara kabaga gotenaniwa na gotiwali molioka.
We are also facing the risk of sectarianism and subnational interests that are sometimes ethnic oriented and in many times attempt to undermine and claw back on national unity and the cohesion of our country. The triple risks of corruption, sectarianism, especially ethnic sectarianism, and violent extremism, including politics and political issues being processed through violence, those three risks stand on the way to our prosperity as we look into the 21st century. But as I have said, good people, we have the benefits, the advantage, the resources, and the largesse of a huge and educated young population, a hub for technology and innovation in our country, and the growing harmonization of the resources across public and private sector to produce enough resources to deliver services. We have a good constitutional order whose crown jewel is devolution, and increasingly the relationships between all institutions in devolution is work in progress, and there's a lot of success stories for us to learn from.
Na sike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki boigo niganyara kabaga kubolia kubwaterana hagati y'abasae anemona soko ene kebunango tumekabale obumanyi obubwate bwekerero ase okugendera barwa manyene egendo kerere ense engima kugenderera.
The things that will underpin our progress as a nation going forward into the 21st century, in my view, the place of young people, the youth of the nation and the youth of this continent, will be critical in underwriting and defining our common future. So as we even center devolution on the people and on the citizen, the young person, the youth, for various advantages that they hold against other generations, they will play a very important part in defining our common future. Technology will also play an important part. And finally, to bridge the resource and financing gaps that we are experiencing in the public sector, in the two levels of government, the three arms of government, the partnerships between the public and private sector in terms of raising resources and financing the provision of services and projects is going to be critical. And therefore, the youth, technology, and partnerships will define Kenya's and Africa's 21st century.
Na umanjo murigerere chingaki omukonyi bomurai bwense musike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki akora itaro ya kurwa ase county ya Homa Bay ase asie kabene omusangerekano yo o devolution conference niganyara kaba gagwikirana gwika ase chinsemo chia Tiaty gose bunge ya Tiaty ime ye county ya Baringo asanyara kaba gagukwana amange igoro ya serikali unyara kaba gagotogia bamenyi be chinsemo echo ase okweneke mna omorembe nkobole gose okweneke omorembe nabo igo unyara kaba gakabole sobocholi oboke bogochokoreka omutienyi oikomera mu kitarike 22 banyakaba bagochora omurai gosoma senator oli olensemo ya serikali gosegotera sekiama kya UDA.
Ni washukuru sana wakazi wa Tiaty. Mimi mnajua ya kwamba kabla sijakuwa deputy president mimi nimekuwa minister wa interior. Na tumefanya kazi kubwa sana pamoja na viongozi wenu hapa mambo ya usalama. Na nimekuwa hii Tiaty siku nyingi. Hii Chemolingot nimekuwa siku mingi. Mimi nimeenda mpaka kule Aquachatis na kule Churo. Mimi nimetembea area hii. Mimi naelewa. Sasa ile sikufika ni Tangul Bay, lakini tutaenda na Kamketi kwa sababu ameniambia sasa anataka nifike huko. Ama namna gani? Fire si fire. Noma si noma. Tiaty hoi. Tiaty hoi. Wacha nione salamu ya watu ya Tiaty jameni, salamu ya watu ya Tiaty. Kwa hivyo mimi nashukuru kwa sababu kwanza mambo ya usalama umeendelea kuimarika hapa Tiaty. Na mimi nashukuru sana viongozi wote, wazee, akina mama, vijana, watu wa Tiaty kwa sababu mumesema ya kwamba tutasafiri pamoja kama taifa moja ambao liko na amani na wapongeza. Katika miaka ya nyuma, kuna sehemu zetu za nchi ya Kenya ambazo ni kama kidogo zimewachwa nyuma kimaendeleo. Ikiwemo hii Tiaty yetu. Rais Ruto na serikali ambaye anaongoza ameamua ya kwamba atasawazisha na ataleta usawa katika Kenya nzima, na sehemu za nchi yetu ambazo hapo awali zilikuwa labda zimeachwa nyumba kwa
kwa mambo ya maendeleo, kwa mambo ya ujenzi wa barabara, kwa mambo ya stima, kwa mambo ya huduma kwa wananchi. Amesema nchi yetu ni moja, taifa letu ni moja, na lazima tuunganishe nchi nzima na kila sehemu ya Kenya ipate haki yake ya maendeleo. Munataka tuendelee na kujumuisha tiati katika maendeleo ya Kenya? Rais Ruto aendelee asiendelee? Rais Ruto aendelee asiendelee? Ndio mnasema 2 term. Ndio tiati ipate barabara 2 term. Ndio tiati ipate stima 2 term. Ndio tujenge mashule 2 term. Ndio tujenge hospitali. Wacha nione 2 term ya William Ruto jameni, rais wetu. Mkumbuke tuko na by election ya Senate hapa. Si unajua tulipoteza senator wetu. Sasa wale ambao wanagombea kiti ya Senate tumewaambia wote aidha wasikizane watupatie mtu mmoja, kama hawatasikizana kura ya chama ipigwe, wanachama wa UDA wapige kura, mwenye atapata wale wengine wamuunge mkono, wale hawatapata tutawatafutia kazi zingine serikalini. Mnakubaliana na sisi? Tuendelee namna hiyo? Mtatupatia senator wa UDA? Mtatupatia senator wa UDA? Mtapatia Rais William Ruto senator wa UDA? Wacha nione wale wanasema chama ni UDA jameni.
Mwanjomo ligereri ase ensemo yeliboli etaro ya abarai bagusi gose omugusi gochia ase amagacho borai bomurai bwense omuske William Samoei Ruto litukolia lero ne ekerengere kyaongereki kubwatekana amonetaro yigatia abarai nabo gabana inchi korwa sorongo rwagusi gotarira amagacho yobomenyo bomurai bwense State House Nairobi. Vincent Okioro kurwa kisidene makia gotabanga epu waulize wenye wamenda State House uko ka wameacha ID sao uko timaitinga ekikerengere ya kerusi ne kia na kerakyo atanga gose boli gose batiga ebibande bya bororo kulende nao yagotabanga amoni muruli kurukisi town agotabanga we just call it capture and recapture method yagotabanga eba chikobanga buna bakoiba chikura na yabo mwanjo muligere talia gatembe na ndani kana bachuka kurumo chengo nyacheki agotanga amaene egendo ngeyo bachikoletera omugusi nenjara yaba iraro pronto na yagotabanga magendero tali ara korwe abana inchi abo bagenda State House nenda yabo bachikokoba na ebirengerali binge mwanjo mulige bigante go chagaiga congratulated they did good as development is going to rise in our county is very good from Angosam echi ndoto chia vision 2060 you go no yakurunga oyakoreta banga acha waende ga kichiro ya daraja echiro ya daraja kwale gwanja otoroseli omuraibu ense William Ruto na bakoboligo mwanju muligerali mbuja mono hesokenjo agenda gotolikera chumbe chinyinge na agenda gochichumba goji likaso bonge kugenda turi chietera ayemo asayemo no nyemagega karotonya ko batogokora ekiunga lituko lia lero mwanju muligerali kurwa serikali ya omuraibwense omuske William Ruto erukurwe serikali ya Kenya kwanza na korukwa broad-based government amatuko arachire nabo igokungusana niko kwanyaka bakwanekwo anene mono asikia magia ODM kobwatekana hamo ne getambukiro kyo muraibwe kiamekyo omuskereira Amoro Odinga koimukie getambukiro gyokobwaterana na gokora emirema mono muraibwense omuske William Samoei Ruto omulikito Sam Miyenda niganyarka bagatwaliganiro robot yoru kochikonyarka bango gotigera ase embe omwanjwa omuligereri nyaga okoligereri nga okungusana no kwanyaka bakwanekwa ase kiama kia ODM kobwatekana amono kobwaterana gati ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza mone kiama kia ODM gosekati kiama kia UDA amona kiama kia ODM muna obange bagokeruka njeni ngongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kuna sema menyerero ni gwatwalenga na Wilson Makona bayo kuna sema ya transmission gakoro ku afira kariri genda gotwaro boliro buya imiyaga Tembe TV ekionga kia mamukusi.
My name is Edwin Sifuna. I am the Senator of Nairobi and I am standing here in my capacity as the Secretary General of the Orange Democratic Movement.
Kero umuraibense umuske Daktari William Ruto no muraibe kiama gia ODM Raila Odinga bakorete okubwatana egachie kiama gia UDA na bege kiama gia ODM okubwatana uko nigo kwarosetie serikali ekurukwa broad based nigo egatie babwatani be kiama gia ODM na UDA mbale batago getugwe nigetambo kirekyo.
I don't like what I'm hearing, Mr. Speaker. What I'm starting to hear at those three levels
is as if somebody wants to fix another person, somebody wants to fix a particular party and not the other one, somebody wants to fix a particular region at the expense of another one, and somebody even wants to fix a community.
Maybe for clarity's sake, the last discussion I had with the president of the country, the last political discussion, either a chat or a discussion as it were, was before October of last year.
Magega yukubwatano kukwenekigwa nigo ikiama gia ODM kienyorete amabaga y'aba waziri abwe barogitwe experts barachigokonya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza eyukonyore atware chinga kichinkongo kurwari rucho ryekegori kia Gen Z gekora okurobekana.
I, Hassan Ali Joho, being appointed the Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya,
all other laws of the Republic.
Gati yaba waziri bachoretwe no waziri John Mbadi uyo choretwe no waziri w'ekibesa James Opiyo Wandayi, Ali Hassan Joho na boigo Wycliffe Oparanya gati yaba raibande benyoreta mabaga ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
John Mbadi Ngongo to the Ministry of National Treasury and Economic Planning, the Honorable James Opiyo Wandayi, Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, the Honorable Hassan Ali Joho, Ministry of Mining, Blue Economy and Maritime Affairs, the Honorable Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, Ministry of Cooperatives and Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development.
Wabwatani abanene b'ekyama gia ODM mbari gwikira bonoiga batere bwatani ne serikali ya broad-based gati yabo n'umurikyo munene bw'ekyama gia ODM yukorwa Edwin Sifuna uyokuru omuchakano otanjite inyomo ya gesiasa y'umurai bwense omwesike Daktari William Ruto na baigo umurai bw'ekyama gia ODM Raila Odinga.
Capacity as SG, I have certain constitutional duties, and that is why I'm standing here to execute those duties in accordance with the constitution of ODM. We have taken the liberty to read out this memorandum of understanding so that we are all clear on what it is and what it is not. We are all clear on what it is and what it is not. As SG, I want to confirm that this document has been processed through the relevant party organs.
Gati ya baraibande Babu Wino ubunge w'ebunge ya Embakasi East gavana we county ya Kisiaya James Orengo Caleb Hamisi oyore umubunge w'ebunge ya Saboti abo gwekera bonoiga chinkwana cyabo njibwati wanjere libonde bwansi kuchya somurai bense nabago umurai bekyama gia ODM Raila Odinga
really grown, and that they want to manage, they want to dwarf this popularity. They have approached Babu Owino on several occasions so that Babu can work with government, but Babu has refused and has said clearly that he wants to work for Kenyans, and that if the government was offering services to citizens, the services that were promised during the campaign periods, if they were working, if the cost of living was reduced, if taxes were reduced, if there were jobs for Kenyan citizens, if the health sector was working, if education sector was working, then Babu Owino would not have any business opposing the government. But why do we oppose the government? Why do we keep checks and balances on the government? It's because the government has not shown any effort to solve these issues of concern that I am raising.
That Ruto is a passing cloud. I am saying that without a fear of contradiction, because Ruto now has no money, because he's been borrowing, and the Kenyans have told him you cannot borrow. Ruto has said no taxation, but he said he is continuing to taxation, and he refused taxation through the finance bill, so he cannot tax Kenyans. Ruto has lost the confidence of the international community. So, where is Ruto going to take us? Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work.
Ikiama gia ODM gwikira bono iga nigo kere asinga kienkong nene mono kurwa asorogongurwa gusi kubatikana nugo chakwa Daktari Fred Matiang'i uyu rirucho riaye riarokanire kubwata inse asorogongurwa gusi abarayi bachoretwe ne kiama gia ODM asorogongurwa gusi unabono omoseneta bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka omoseneta bwe county ya Nyamira Okongo Mugeni mubunge bwe bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Anthony Kibagendi mubunge bwe bunge ya Kitutu Masaba Clive Gesairo abwe barokanire kwerobiria kubwata si Daktari Fred Matiang'i ase eganga yayo kulia ekikarugo kyobora ibense
Tukoro Nyamira tima idina kikoru Kisii kawo kimole Tukoro Nyamira twaligere ilia mangana ye obo president ojimotwa twadebire na 2027 tutagenda korera mabadiliko Kenya abagena baita barasira badebuna bakanesha umwaka omugima abantu baita bana chiruchi tax cyao singire bitotari korora wala ko Nyamira tutwadebire ngo motodoka yokura koro ku Fred Okengo Korukisi kaunti ya Kimawada Fred Okengo. That's why kwa kauli moja wa Kisii tunasema kwa Mheshimiwa William Ruto ni one. William Ruto ni one. Nyasaba sisi.
Omugusino moto wake roma matitiri. Morote Matiang'i nake roma matitiri. Na sisi kama jamii ya Omugusino tumejipanga na kijana yetu. Kijana yetu anaitwa Fred Okengo.
Tukaenda tukanyore timu yenyewe achakire ya bwati chibese cy'ugutubura bono no twari tugwakari zoezi etimu ikoro ku Matiang'i tuende kumenyana na hii timu ya utapeli 2027 buno mugushi ebara nayo. You are either with us or against us. Enga kieli twari ko kwane ku roche. Bona twatebire ku roche twabungire e para ite kuwera sotiki. Eso erekero kagai. Dalibo. Etirimboke. Ebila Kenya bali masawa na bogetutu. Echega nyali bali chache. Ebila kema irande. Entreni aito enteramana yamo. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
I am representing a gentleman who's not here with us. And his name is Fred Matiang'i.
Gloria Uruba ni garengo moseneto mochore kurwa asekia makia UDA urinde akarusigwa kurwa asekia mekyo asengencho ararekanete kumubwate sia Fred Matiang'i omoseneta we county ya Kakamega Boni Halwale mubunge bwe bunge ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro Gathoni wa Mchomba oyoro mubunge kurwa ase bunge ya Githunguri.
We are not going to allow anyone to play around with the issue of free basic education. Kenya has always afforded to fund free basic education. Kenya has always afforded to pay for examinations. Hii sarakasi haitaanza.
I see, for example, Mr. Speaker, some noise building around certain members of parliament, and not members of parliament, members of the cabinet, that probably X, Y, or Z might be removed so as to pave way for the new look broad-based government. I want to send an early warning. This will be wrong. Whoever is starting to raise issues.
Okuigwana kwa bwangoiga gwa kurwa no moraibense na boigo Raila Odinga okukura chikonekia okuigwana oku kwa ene kigwe kwa mobekire omorikyo monene bwekia mweki Edwin Sifuna na bego n'abaraibande balia batari kubwatesia serikali ya broad-based.
Hata wewe kama una maneno ya kusema unaweza itwa huko useme mambo yako. Enda pia wewe ujieleze. Hao watu akiwemo huyu baba Raila Amolo Odinga siku ile wataniambia Sifuna, sasa wewe umeanza kuwa na maadili tofauti na chama. nitawaachilia hii kiti bila fujo.
Ninyarekane ikiama ODM kegendere gutwara chinguru kero kegendete konyora akwamiriria kurwa ase bali bachorete kurwa ase kiamekyo ikiameke nguru kichibwate kurwa asorogongo rwa Western ngegendere koba ikiama kibwate chinguru kurwa asorogongo rwa Gusii kero Fred Matiang'i arokanire gutwara chinguru kurwa asorogongo rwa Gusii.
Kama Sifuna ameongea, ako na haki ya kuongea. Mimi sijasema ati mimi usiongee kwa chama namna hii. Sema hata kama unaona baba anafanya makosa, sema.
Hayawi, hayawi. Hayawi, hayawi. Hayawi, hayawi. Imekuwa sasa. Leo tumeweka sahihi kwa mkataba ya kuleta ulewano, ya kuleta amani, ya kupigana na maadui ya Wakenya wote.
Reporter ya Egetaseni Kiegetembe, Sam Miyenda.
Ya vijana wa Kenya, kina mama wa Kenya, watu wote wa Kenya tuweze kutembea pamoja, tuishi katika nchi yenye haina ubaguzi, tuishi kwenye nchi yenye iko na umoja na tukabiliana na changamoto za Kenya, tupige hatua ya kwenda mbele kwa pamoja. Ndio leo jameni tunakuja mbele yenu kuuliza ruhusa yenu. Watu wa Nairobi, mumekubali tuungane, tushirikiane.
Superstores Nero eduka asorogongo rigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa ligakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwata Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mama Rosa.